Hey there, I recently dove into the world of vinyl cutters to find the best options out there so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. I bought and tested each of these products myself, and let me tell you, there are some hidden gems. Whether you're a crafter, a small business owner, or just someone who loves to create, I've got the insights you need to make an informed decision. Product number 1, Furbin A4 Paper Cutter. My experience with the Furbin A4 paper cutter was quite interesting. Picture this, I had a stack of papers, photos, and cards that needed trimming for a special event. The moment I unboxed this cutter, I noticed its sleek design and lightweight build. At just 12 inches, it felt portable enough to carry around, yet sturdy enough for the task at hand. The first thing I appreciated was how easy it was to set up. With a simple press of the blade, it was ready to tackle my cutting needs. I loved that it could handle up to 10 sheets of standard paper at a time. This made my crafting process so much more efficient. One of the standout features of the Furbin cutter is the professional guillotine design. This thing cuts straight along printed lines without any drag, which is something I'd struggled with in the past with other cutters. The stainless steel blade is sharp and precise, and I was thrilled to find it easy to replace when it eventually dulls. When it comes to accuracy, this cutter doesn't disappoint. The integrated measurement scales in both centimeters and inches made it super simple to ensure I got the perfect angle and length for my projects. I often found myself using the 45-degree to 90-degree angle measuring plate, which saved me a lot of time. On the safety side, this cutter includes an automatic security safeguard that only activates when you press down on the blade. This is a huge relief, especially if you have kids around. I felt comfortable letting my children help with crafting projects, knowing they were safe from any accidental cuts. However, there were a couple of downsides. While it did cut through multiple sheets, I noticed that pushing it to the max limit occasionally led to uneven edges. I learned that cutting fewer sheets actually prolongs the life of the blade, so moderation is key. Also, the plastic material, while lightweight, did raise concerns about durability over long-term use. So why buy the Furbin A4 paper cutter? If you're someone who enjoys crafting, scrapbooking, or needs a reliable cutter for home or office projects, this cutter is a great investment. It's affordable, user-friendly, and efficient, making it a solid choice for both beginners and seasoned crafters alike. Product number 2, Evtech Paper Cutter. The Evtech Paper Cutter caught my eye mainly because of its sleek design and budget-friendly price. I was curious to see how it compared to my trusty Furbin cutter, so I decided to put it to the test. Right off the bat, the Evtech surprised me with its smooth operation. The sharp blade glided effortlessly along the transparent wire. I found it particularly useful for cutting A4 and A5 sheets, as well as photos and cards. One of the standout features of this cutter is its lightweight and portable design. It felt comfortable to handle, and I was able to move around my workspace with it without any hassle. The anti-slip design is something I truly appreciated. With 6 non-slip round sponges at the bottom, I felt confident that it wouldn't budge while I was cutting, which is essential for precision. The measuring plate, which allows for angles from 45 to 90 degrees, was very handy as well. I used it multiple times to ensure my cuts were perfectly aligned. This feature is great for anyone who likes to add a professional touch to their projects. However, I did notice that while it performed well for lighter materials like paper and cardstock, it struggled a bit with thicker materials like cardboard. If you're planning to cut heavier items regularly, you might want to look for a more robust option. Safety is always a concern, especially when kids are involved. The blade only works when you press down on it, which I found to be a fantastic design choice. I let my kids assist me with some crafting, and I felt reassured that they wouldn't accidentally cut themselves. In summary, the Evtech Paper Cutter is a fantastic tool for those who need a reliable, budget-friendly option for cutting paper and light materials. It's lightweight, portable, and safe, making it a great choice for home, school, or office use. While it may not handle thicker materials perfectly, it's still an excellent addition to any crafter's toolkit. Product number 3, Cricut Explore 4. Diving into the Cricut Explore 4 was an eye-opening experience for me. I've heard so many people rave about Cricut machines, and now I understand why. This smart cutting machine comes packed with features that cater to both beginners and seasoned crafters alike. As soon as I unboxed it, I was impressed by its stylish seashell color and compact design. The machine feels sturdy yet not overly heavy, which is perfect for those of us who may want to move it around. The Explore 4 stands out with its ability to cut through over 100 materials, including vinyl, cardstock, and even iron-on HTV. I found myself experimenting with various materials, and each time the cuts were precise and clean. The machine can not only cut but also draw, foil, and score, which adds an incredible layer of versatility to my crafting projects. One of the features I found most useful was the Design Space app. It's incredibly user-friendly and allows you to create your designs from scratch or use pre-existing templates. I was pleasantly surprised by the vast library of images and fonts available, making it easy to personalize my projects. The Print Then Cut feature was a game changer for creating full-color designs. I could print my designs on my inkjet printer and then cut them out seamlessly with the Cricut. However, it's not without its learning curve. While the Design Space app is easy to navigate, I did find myself spending a bit of time getting used to all the features. Additionally, the machine is on the pricier side compared to basic cutters, which might deter some new crafters. So why should you consider the Cricut Explore 4? If you're serious about crafting and want a machine that can grow with you, the Explore 4 is worth the investment. Its versatility, ease of use, and high-quality cuts make it a top choice for anyone looking to elevate their crafting game. Product number 4, Cricut Joy Extra. When I first got my hands on the Cricut Joy Extra, I was eager to see how it stacked up against the Explore 4. This machine is marketed as a compact, user-friendly cutter, and it did not disappoint. The first thing I noticed was its smaller footprint, making it perfect for those with limited workspace. I loved that I could easily store it away or take it with me to craft nights without any hassle. The Joy Extra is capable of cutting over 50 materials, which is impressive for such a compact machine. It cuts with precision, and I found it especially effective for vinyl and cardstock. Perfect for smaller projects like labels, cards, and even personalized gifts, this machine is a great addition to any crafter's arsenal. One of the standout features for me was the ability to write, draw, and foil in addition to cutting. This added versatility opened up a world of possibilities for my projects. I was able to create intricate designs and personalized items that really stood out. I also appreciated the Design Space app, which made it easy to upload my own designs or choose from the extensive library of templates available. However, as fantastic as the Joy Extra is, it does have its limitations. The smaller cutting area means that larger projects could be a challenge, and I found myself wishing for a bit more space at times. Additionally, it may not be the best option for heavy-duty materials as it excels with lighter ones. Overall, the Cricut Joy Extra is perfect for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of crafting without the commitment of a larger machine. It's compact, versatile, and user-friendly, making it an excellent choice for beginners or those who want a simple, effective cutter for smaller projects. Product number 5, NAACOO Heavy Duty Floor Cutter. I had the chance to test out the NAACOO Heavy Duty Laminate Vinyl Floor Cutter, and let me tell you, this is a beast of a tool. As someone who's tackled home improvement projects before, I was excited to see how well this cutter would perform with heavier materials like laminate and vinyl flooring. Right out of the box, the build quality was impressive. It's made from strong aluminum alloy and HDPE, making it durable yet surprisingly lightweight for its size. What sets this cutter apart is its ability to cut through various flooring materials with ease. It can handle laminate, engineered wood, and even SPC and WPC flooring. I was particularly impressed by the one-step cutting feature, which allows you to set the angle and length simultaneously. This feature drastically reduces the time it takes to measure and cut, making the entire process much more efficient. Safety is another highlight of the NAACOO cutter. When not in use, you can insert the chain brake bar into the fixed handle to ensure it cannot be accidentally activated. The blade also has a protective cover, giving peace of mind, especially if you have kids around. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While it performs well with thicker materials, it's not meant for cutting porcelain tile, which could be a deal-breaker for some. Additionally, although it is designed for heavy-duty use, the cutter requires some physical strength to operate effectively, particularly when cutting through tougher materials. So is the NAACOO heavy-duty floor cutter worth considering? Absolutely. If you're involved in flooring projects and need a reliable, efficient, and safe cutting tool, this cutter is a solid investment. It will save you time and effort, and its durability means you won't have to worry about replacement anytime soon. In conclusion, each of these vinyl cutters offers something unique, catering to different needs and preferences. Whether you're a casual crafter, a DIY enthusiast, or someone who's serious about home improvement, there's a cutter on this list for you. My personal favorite, the Cricut Explore 4 for its versatility and extensive features. But no matter which one you choose, you're bound to elevate your crafting game. Happy crafting!